everyone, and thanks for joining us. So we're here to talk about the smart connected TM6 and all the amazing things that you can create with it.
And Bianca, what are we exploring today?
Today we're having a look at the cooking function.
Great, can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, so to cook in your Thermomix, you simply select your time, your temperature and your speed, and you can cook a whole range of dishes. When you're using a higher temperature mode of cooking, you will be asked from time to time the recipe to use the splash guard, which is a new accessory for the TM6. And that simply sits on top of the lid.
Fantastic, and it looks so easy with step-by-step instructions right there on the screen.
Yeah, that's right. You can use guided cooking for your recipes, which takes you step by step and make it really easy to use. And you can access a whole range of recipes online through our digital recipe platform, cookiedoo.com.au.
Great, and can I access Cookiedoo on the Thermomix?
Yeah, you can. So if you head to your home screen and you swipe, you can get Cookiedoo directly on your Thermomix.
Fantastic. Now, what have you cooked for me today?
So today I've made a delicious pumpkin soup.
Wow, well I can't wait to start exploring Cookiedoo and create some soups and risottos and curries and lots of delicious things using the cooking mode.
Thanks so much for joining us.